Hi, welcome to my research project comparing app-assisted home practice with traditional home practice activities for children with speech sound disorders, a multiple baselines crossover design. So speech sound disorders describe childhood difficulties using the sounds that we use for talking. They're common and they put children at risk of negative life outcomes. The evidence recommends a high amount of treatment, but this is rarely adhered to, partly due to a shortage of speech pathologists. Speech pathologists frequently prescribe home practice as a strategy to try and bridge this gap. However, parents also have difficulty completing the amount of home practice prescribed and completing it as they're supposed to. The literature has reported on both home practice and the use of apps in speech therapy. Regarding home practice, the literature has found that barriers to parents completing the practice include forgetting how to complete activities, speech pathologists setting unsuitable tasks, children's behaviour, motivation, time restraints, but all this literature is limited by small sample sizes. Regarding the use of apps in speech therapy, the literature has found that speech pathologists do not prioritise an app being based on learning theories when selecting an app. Few of the available apps are therapeutically beneficial, but some are, and the apps improve children's motivation and behaviour in therapy. So our research question is investigating whether apps can reduce these known barriers to parents completing home practice. We're suggesting this because of the positive impact that apps have been shown to have on children's behaviour and motivation, because they do require less preparation compared to traditional activities and therefore might more easily fit into the family's routine. And they may reduce the demand on parents to remember how to complete activities. So our study involves 4 parent-child dyads. They'll each undergo a single subject crossover design with multiple baselines, followed by a qualitative analysis of parent interviews. So the single subject component involves multiple baseline measures, treatment phase 1 with one of the home practice types, a withdrawal phase, treatment phase 2, where they'll receive the other home practice type, and a maintenance phase. And then we'll move on to the parent interviews. Regarding bias control, participants are going to be randomised regarding which home practice type they receive first and the number of baselines they receive. All our outcome measures will be taken by blinded assessors. Our researchers will individually analyse data and compare results for inter-rater reliability, and the items in our outcome measurement tool are randomised each time it's conducted to control for the practice effect. As you can see, here is our timeline here. We're sitting at about August. All right, thank you everyone, bye.